was all alone, thinking of you, and there I devised a plan, oh, to bring you to me in a way that you would know me, really know who I am. Love me for all my ways, whatever form I take. You would know me by my word, know me and love me by redemption's story. For I am more than alive. Oh, I bled and died for you to bring you to my side. I am Jesus. Oh, I want you to know who I am, and I am Jesus. Whatever form I take, I am that I am. I am Jesus. I want you to know who I am, for I am your Lord Jesus. Seven angels came to Brother Branham one day to open the secret things that was sealed away. Now turn the picture to the right, the Supreme Judge's wig, and look a little closer. Whose face do you see inside? Jesus. I am Jesus. I want you to know who I am, and I am Jesus. Whatever form I take, I am that I am. I am Jesus. I want you to know who I am, for I am your Lord Jesus. Know that I love you. Your Redeemer. I came and I died for you.